Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into your ZTE Blade V8 Lite. So first step, go into settings and then find security option. This one. Then into security, click setup SIM card lock and then choose your SIM card. So then after choosing, click here to remove SIM pin. For unlocking, enter your pin and click OK. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.